Sheikh, in one of your videos on YouTube, you told that it is not necessary that Laylatul-Qadr falls on the same date every year. It can change its date. But in the Quran, Allah says, "Inna anzalnahu fi Laylatul Qadr." We revealed or we started revealing it. That is the Quran on Laylatul Qadr. So if the we assume that the Quran got started revealing on the 27th night, shouldn't the 27th night every year be the Laylatul Qadr?
So is
Similarly,
the
if it
Quran being revealed every year?
no,
So it was talking about a specific night at that year when it started to be revealed on the 27th, assume. But after that, the Prophet explained it himself, alayhi salatu. He said that I used to know what night the night of Qadr is, but now you go and detect it in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Then he said in the witr, the odd number nights of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. So the Prophet himself, alayhi salatu wasalam, forgot which night it was, and he was not told which night it is every single year afterwards. How would we claim that, nope, it's fixed on the 27th, which the Prophet didn't know, alayhi salatu wasalam? That is not logical at all.